As a June 18th deadline for citizenship registration passed in the Dominican Republic, neighboring Haiti braced itself to receive hundreds of thousands of people in a mass deportation program that has sparked global outrage. In 2013, the Dominican Republic decided to revoke the citizenship of anyone foreign-born after 1929 and then made onerous requirements to prove their citizenship before the deadline. Those people of Haitian origin were particularly targeted as part of a long-standing tension between black and brown-skinned Dominicans. Dominicans of Haitian descent who may have lived in the DR for generations were counted in the same group as Haitian migrants, some of whom were trafficked into the DR as cheap labor. Haiti itself, the poorest nation in the Western Hemisphere, may now be a new home for hundreds of thousands of people, many with no direct cultural or language connection to Haiti. On Sunday, New York Mayor Bill de Blasio gave an address in Washington Heights near the heart of the city's Dominican community and said, quote, "It is clearly an illegal act, it is an immoral act, it is a racist act by the Dominican government." After months of complacency, the international community and media shone a spotlight on the planned deportations. My guest is Roberto Lovato. He is a writer for The Nation and a visiting scholar at UC Berkeley's Center for Latino Policy Research, and he just returned from a trip to the border between the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Welcome to Uprising, Roberto.
Glad to be with you, Sonali.
Now, what has happened since June 18th? That was the official deadline. Have the deportations begun?
Well, deportations, we have to remember, never stopped. The Dominican government's been deporting Haitians for some years now. They're actually in the midst of building their deportation system, which really only started in 2007, and oddly enough, with the help of the United States government, believe it or not.
So this particular wave of mass deportations, however, have they, I should ask then, has there been a surge in existing deportations as a result of this law that was and court decision in 2013?
Well, there's been intensified activity by the state, by the military, which is very active in immigration matters, and by CESFRONT, which is the Dominican Border Patrol. I've spoken to folks at Solidaridad Fronteriza and Centro Bono and other organizations advocating for Haitian rights. And there's definitely been an uptick in not just deportations, but in rape of women, of going to people's homes and creating havoc, destroying their property, taking it, stealing it. There's been a lot of corruption. There's been just a really, really sad situation. So there's been an increase in that, but there weren't, what didn't materialize were the mass deportations that the right-wing media, which is abundant in Dominican Republic, and some government officials were promising.